1 teaspoon, heal fatty liver, lower blood sugar, cleaner arteries, remove heavy metals. Spirulina, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Whether you're looking to boost your overall health, manage specific conditions, or enhance your diet with essential nutrients, Spirulina has you covered. Stay tuned to learn all about its benefits and a delicious smoothie recipe to incorporate it into your daily routine. Spirulina is a nutritional goldmine, packed with vitamins, minerals, essential nutrients, protein, and detoxifying agents. It contains 26 times more calcium than milk, making it excellent for maintaining strong bones. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties help balance blood sugar levels, potentially as effectively as some diabetic medications, and can lower A1C levels. Spirulina is rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. The standout antioxidant is phycocyanin, which gives spirulina its potent anti-inflammatory effects. This makes it beneficial for those with allergies, helping to prevent histamine release and alleviate symptoms like nasal passage inflammation and sinus congestion caused by pollen, animal dander, or dust. With the high levels of chlorophyll in spirulina, it helps remove toxins from your blood and boosts your immune system. Spirulina binds to heavy metals in your body, aiding in their excretion and preventing damage from toxic exposure. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, but spirulina can help prevent clogged arteries. It lowers bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while raising good HDL cholesterol. Spirulina also prevents LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, it can lower high blood pressure, a major factor in heart attacks, strokes, and chronic kidney disease. Spirulina supports liver health by helping manage fatty liver, liver damage, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. It regulates liver enzymes, improving overall liver function and health. If you're looking to shed some pounds, spirulina can help. It detoxifies your system, speeding up your metabolism and promoting satiety, which helps reduce overeating. Incorporating spirulina into your daily routine can be a game changer for weight loss. In today's world, with various bacteria and viruses in the air, keeping your immune system strong is crucial. Spirulina boosts your immune system, helping you stay healthy and resilient. Incorporate spirulina into your diet with this tasty and nutritious smoothie: 1 frozen banana, half a cup of mixed berries, 1 cup of water or almond milk, depending on your preference, a dash of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of spirulina, a handful of spinach or kale. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. Enjoy your refreshing and health-boosting spirulina smoothie. For optimal health benefits, take approximately 3 grams of spirulina daily. This translates to about 1 teaspoon, 4.2 grams, per day, available in pill or powder form. Thank you for tuning in to Life Well Live. I hope you found this information on spirulina enlightening. Please share this video with your friends and family, leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Stay healthy and live well.